What is the central bank digital currency? It is a sort of official cryptocurrency for retail users. Who can use the retail CBDC? Customers and merchants will be able to utilize the digital rupee or e-rupee in 4 cities at first, that is Bombay, New Delhi, Bangalore and Bhubaneswar. State Bank of India, ICICI Bank, Yes Bank and IDFC First Bank will be engaged in the regulated introduction of the digital currency in these 4 locations. Subsequently, service will be extended to other cities and banks. How will the retail digital rupee work? Users will be able to transact with e-rupee through digital wallet offered by participating banks and store it on mobile phones and devices. Transactions can be person to person, that is P2P, and person to merchant, that is P2M, through QR codes. Advantages of e-rupee: to reduce operational cost in managing physical cash and bring efficiency in payment systems, to boost innovation in cross-border payments, to stop money laundering, terror financing, tax evasion with private cryptocurrencies like bitcoins, ether, etc. How is it being introduced? 8 banks have been identified for phase-wise participation. The first phase began on December 1, 2022 with 4 banks, that is SBI, ICICI Bank, Yes Bank and IDFC First Bank in 4 cities. 4 more banks, that are Bank of Baroda, Union Bank of India, HDFC Bank and Kotak Mahindra Bank will join the pilot later. The pilot initially covers 4 cities, that are Bombay, New Delhi, Bangalore and Bhubaneswar, later extended to Ahmedabad, Indore, Kochi, Lucknow, Patna and Shimla. Features of digital rupee. CBDC is a sovereign currency issued by central bank in alignment with their monetary policy. It appears as a liability on the central bank's balance sheet. It must be accepted as a medium of payment, legal tender, and the safe store of value by all citizens, enterprises, and government agencies. It is freely convertible against commercial bank money and cash. CBDC is a fungible legal tender for which holders need not have a bank account. CBDC is expected to lower the cost of issuance of money and transactions. Types of CBDC. There are 2 types of CBDC: general purpose or retail, that is CBDCR, and wholesale, that is CBDCW. CBDCR can be used by all including the private sector, non-financial consumers and businesses. CBDCW designed for restricted access to select financial institutions. CBDCR, that is retail, it is an electronic version of cash primarily meant for retail transaction, whereas in wholesale it is designed for the settlement of interbank transfers and related wholesale transactions. According to RBI, CBDCR can provide access to safe money for payment and settlement as it is direct liability of the central bank. Whereas CBDCW, that is wholesale, has the potential to transform settlement systems from financial transactions and make them more efficient and secure. CBDC is different from existing money in digital form in a sense that it is a liability of the Reserve Bank and not of a commercial bank. Why RBI introduced CBDC? It will not replace the current forms of money. It will provide an additional payment avenue to users. It will boost India's digital economy, enhance financial inclusion. It will make the monetary and payment system more efficient.